No, I'm sorry. You can keep it. Cause I already.
What about the thing underneath it behind it as well?
Oh, I have a plant back here. Yes. Sorry about that. Thank you.
Anything in the box?
No, it's empty.
Might have to look. That is not empty.
Oh.
Come on.
Police arrive at a Florida Target after loss prevention notices a woman using a large, unpurchased gray storage bin to conceal numerous unpaid items inside her cart. She is still inside the store, which raises the question, has a crime been completed? Or is concealment alone enough to justify intervention?
They're still in?
Yeah, they're still inside. He wants to know if you'll move your car so that when they come outside. I think we're just going to go in. I mean, at this point.
They're actively trying to conceal.
I'm not good with that.
If they're actively trying to conceal, that's 82 all day long. They're actively trying to conceal.
Our boss and like our target guidelines, we unfortunately can't have y'all just go in there and grab them up. They have to bypass for us.
So they're actively trying to conceal something that is a crime.
Yeah, but for Target, they want them to, because we.
So you want us to wait for them to come outside?
Yeah, so I can tell you, like, I'm not, I will work with you guys, but I'm not hiding my car and then having to chase somebody. Like, that's not what I'm going to do. Like,
we don't, that's not how we roll.
Because they're putting it into a storage bin that's like our storage bin, or they haven't purchased yet. Okay. So they could still buy it.
Sure.
But the odds are, statistically, so what do these jokers look like?
Two, maybe mid-30s. Pink top and pink bottom is the younger one, and yellow top is one of the adults.
82 Charlie by Charlie.
Top for the other one with the baseball cap.
Bright colors, bright pink.
Bright pink is a younger.
Moments later, loss prevention stops the first of the two suspects with a cart full of half-paid items.
Her bedding and stuff.
Okay, well, we can talk about this again.
Yeah, of course, you'll expect current 297.82.
So where's the other one? Where's the other one?
I think yellow right there is one.
Thinking she has the green light, her sister hops behind a self-checkout register and pays for a few items. Only seconds later, officers are shocked to see what she's about to try.
No.
So
And they were bringing the stuff up together.
she was going to run. I like that you shaved your head again.
I've been shaving my head.
Bro, no, you didn't. You got to fade this. Oh boy, you got to fade it. Let me do it for you. I'll come to your house and yellow one's involved. They got one girl who's already with loss prevention now. They stopped her, but yellow one's involved. One of the Bravo Foxtrots that walked out, put some stuff up there. She only paid for one thing. She knew she got caught. This one was part of them too. The one in the yellow was part of them. Sure.
Oh, no, I'm sorry. You can keep it. Cause I already.
What about the thing underneath it behind it as well?
Oh, I have a plant back here. Yes. Sorry about that. Thank you.
Anything in the box?
No, it's empty.
Might have to look. That is not empty.
Oh.
Come on. Tried to walk out with that.
Ah, yeah, got me. Damn, we got caught. FBI.
God dang. Look at that.
It's full.
Is it full? Oh yeah, it's full. Look at that.
Bro, what the? Alright.
Come on.
Wait.
No.
I pay for these though. Can I?
Oh yeah, no, that's gonna sit there. That's gonna sit there.
Can I get my phone?
No, you can wait.
Why not? Alrighty.
Go ahead and sit right there. She trying to walk out with a whole bin of clothes.
I paid for both of them.
So you paid for all.
Who? Who's the third
Oh,
friend?
she got a bunch of stuff. Like she returned. She dropped a bunch of stuff off. She's like, I can't afford this. She's like, I can't afford this. She walked out with one black box. So your friend's gonna be waiting on y'all for a while.
Oh.
Well,
all right.
You're going to jail. So
I'm going to jail?
Yeah.
Okay.
Where
you from? I'm not from here. All right. So where are you from? Georgia. Okay. What's your name? How many kids you got? Just one. Just one? Yeah. They gonna miss their mama tonight when you in jail? Nah, I'm gonna get out tomorrow. I don't think so. If it's felony amount.
I was like, no, it ain't. Let's go.
But wait, when you open it, it's a lot of cars in there, so you probably got to go. No, I don't.
Oh my gosh.
Hey,
I'm moving.
Y'all got this. Yeah. We're gonna go and handle that other call.
Yeah. Oh my.
Okay.
Bro.
I appreciate you guys.
So you realize if it's over $750, it's a felony. Really? And you
Yeah.
won't see a judge until tomorrow morning. All right. What's your name? Okay, so you stay in Georgia, but you got a Florida driver's license?
Oh, yeah.
No, I got a Georgia driver's license.
Bro, it's right here.
That's invalid. I don't use that.
Okay, where's your Georgia one? Right here? Why do you have two? Why do you have two?
I don't know. I just have two.
Okay.
I always have had two.
You want to add her?
When I moved from Vegas,
Run her all the way.
Florida,
Yeah, I'll run
then I
around
had it.
Jacksonville too.
I don't have nothing. I've never been in trouble with the law. This is my first time getting in trouble.
Damn, you got a felony too, man. Come on, man. So what's the story with yours? You got food, and then you had some random, like, the bedding and the towels and stuff? Like, what? So you'll probably go to jail for, did you tally up that dollar amount yet?
Not yet. They're calculating it outside right now.
Okay. If it's below $750, you go on a misdemeanor.
Yeah,
And you'll be able to post bond.
misdemeanor. You'll be alright.
Where's your other sister?
Out there with the. It's probably where she at.
Oh, man.
So you said this is your first time? You never gone to another Target and stole from there before?
No.
No.
And to justify her actions, she explains her specific reasons for stealing.
I'm not really a thief, you know. I just didn't want to pay my rent. I want to make that clear. I don't just steal for a living, you know. Hey, put my $40 in my purse so that way when I get out, I can,
Is that with or without tax?
they gonna take my motherfucking $40. Put it towards the bond.
Okay. And that's for the tote?
I paid for the tote. I actually paid for that.
So you paid for the tote that held the stolen merchandise?
No, I won't call it that. Cause, I mean, if I'm getting in trouble, like, at least I'll play around, man. If I'm getting in trouble, don't make I'll say I'm not gonna be one of them people that's in the mug shop looking ugly.
You ever been to jail?
Yeah. Juvie, not jail.
That's not
Was it
jail.
for theft?
No, it wasn't actually. It was for beating out of my boyfriend.
Oh, Lord, have mercy.
Yeah.
I would have made it be him.
Yeah.
I gotta ask, did you go to Sandalwoods?
No, I didn't go to Sandalwood.
Where you live right
My people, they live by it, but I didn't go there. No, I ended up going to like 5 different high schools.
Okay, because
Yeah.
I used to live nearby there too.
Yeah.
I seen your Florida license.
Yeah, yeah.
My high school, I'm like, yeah.
Yeah, you went to Sandalwood?
I did.
You did? You had Bostic, Dr. Bostic? Was he there by then?
I graduated 2014.
Oh, shit, he definitely wasn't there then. Y'all probably was in the same class. Shit.
But I was the oldest one in there. I was 20 years old.
Damn.
Yeah.
So she's gonna go under. She's gonna go on under. We took up under.
Wait, can you get my
Yeah, pink.
What about the green?
She's going on felony.
No?
I'm gonna take them both. Can you just grab the receipts? Shoot me a picture of it. Hey, you want them trespass?
Yes. 1 year.
Y'all can't come back for a year.
That's fine.
So go ahead and stand up for me.
Sure.
No, not you. Sit down.
Sorry.
Stay with the Georgia. You gotta go somewhere else and steal?
No, I don't have to steal wherever I go. I just don't have to
steal?
Because I'm moving. Didn't I just tell you? I already gave them the whole rundown.
Hands together like you're praying. So go ahead and sit.
Right through what?
That's cool though. That's fine.
That's fine. She's cool with the felony.
No, I'm not cool with felony at all. Not on my record, especially with me.
Nassau County is too.
But you know, like I gotta be fine with it, you know, because I paid the price. That's what it is.
She's cool with the felony like she.
No, I'm not. I'm not cool with it. I don't want
Stand
to
up.
feel like
Jeez,
okay.
Yeah, it's on the back of your phone, right? Your ID or your EBT. I'll get it
No,
from you.
that's
Turn
my idea.
I'm gonna give you a purse. You're gonna carry your purse out. You understand?
Okay.
I didn't say turn back around.
Okay, but I mean,
All right, now you turn around.
My car's still out
All
there.
right, now we're gonna go this way. Woo.
wait. Them my phones. You can put them in here.
about to get them.
Okay. Thank you.
You can put my phone in her bag.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So how I'm gonna hold the purse and walk out at the same time?
Get up off me. You can be a big.
It ain't my fault. You about skinnier than me. Shit.
Property when they're in jail?
Huh?
That's a return.
We know we ain't gonna get the property in
Tell them
jail.
to put it on a Target gift card.
It's a
They already looking at me. What I'm gonna do? I'm in cuffs. Like
Can you do it on a gift card?
like a thief. I'm not a thief. I swear to God, y'all,
Yeah,
my rent was due.
Look at the Jeopardy man.
I swear to God, my rent was not being that. Word to my daddy. It's okay, baby. I'm gonna get you some more. I'm not gonna steal it though. I swear to God. I'm serious. What's up, Papa?
He don't want to talk to you.
He was looking at me like he did.
Yeah, because you're a whole ass clown. Go to the right, go to the right, go to the right, go to the
My
right.
car is right there at the Beetle.
All right, stand right there. No.
Oh, right here?
Yep.
So they return that stuff and they're giving you a gift card.
For real?
Yeah, they gotta give you a gift.
Yeah, Shit, I will.
But don't be coming back here.
Oh, wait, they're going to give me the gift card for the stuff I bought.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
Go all the way across.
Got you.
Yeah, slide all the way through.
All right,
It ain't nothing.
slide
It's
in.
fat, I swear. I tried to drop some pounds, but it ain't got it. It ain't my fault. Hey, just don't drive this deal like a nasty.
I need to get their phone numbers for the 42. I need the other one's name. Hold on. How do you pronounce your first name?
I got it.
What's your name?
Tamaya. Your mother's trying to be bald headed.
I'm like, who's that? I don't know her. What's my hand grown?
What's her name?
With the tally totaled, officers deliver whether this is a misdemeanor or a felony.
It's like 780 something, but they wanted to take the taxes off. I said, I don't think it matters.
Run it.
Like, yeah,
Right,
like
give me the taxes.
It's not like if you going in or you getting tax free. Like,
Yeah. Let the state attorneys figure that problem out. You know? Let me go see. Let me go ask her if they're done. They should be done. Okay. All right. Do y'all get the receipts yet?
They're still bringing.
What time did they enter? What time did they enter the store?
I'll have to double check the cameras, but let me go back in there.
All right. This is one of their stuff.
It's like, oh, what'd you have for lunch? Roxanne said, oh, Chipotle. They're both. Oh, we had the same thing.
I let y'all
Do I have the steak or the bowl?
Listen, hold on.
I got the bowl.
All right. They almost know the receipt, so hold on. Are these receipts?
This is the total receipt for
The yellow.
the tote. Yeah.
Yeah, for the tote. And then what's this one?
This is the stuff she paid for, not on that receipt. So
Okay.
We're still working on pinks right now.
Dang, she tried to.
3:25 p.m. is
Okay.
what we entered.
325.
And then exit time. I mean, you guys had that 4:11.
All right. 325.
Do you need anything else? Do you-
The gift card for that thing.
Yeah, they're making it right now.
Okay.
So yeah, that was the other thing because it was like one of the purchases they made was over $200.
Yeah.
And so the only concern is like, are they going to show out because it's $200 on the gift card as opposed to back to their debit card?
Was it on a debit card? Did they purchase with a debit card?
There's one receipt. There's EBT. That's a separate transaction. But then there's one where they paid partial cash and then partial debit card. No, it was all debit card.
Gift card.
Good.
I say throw it on
It's
the gift
fine.
card. Yeah.
Okay.
That way they can go with them to evidence. That way they don't have to take all this stuff with them.
Okay, got you. I just wanted to get clarification on that because I didn't want it to become
Which one's this one?
a problem
The stuff
later.
she paid for?
This is the stuff she paid.
Okay. All right. Let me go give this to. Let me go give this to the deputy outside. I'll be right back for the other one. This is yellows.
Yellows?
Yeah, they're working on hers right now.
I don't understand, why are you, they're actively concealing. Why can we not run in there, snatch them up?
Past point of sale.
But they're actively concealing. You know what I'm saying?
But it doesn't mean that they ain't going to go to the point of sale and pay for it.
Right.
Doesn't mean they aren't.
Right.
You have to give benefit of the doubt.
There ain't no benefit of the doubt.
But when I grabbed that tote and you kept walking, I knew there was something in it.
I got snatched up, girl. As soon as you get that other one, let me know.
Yeah, I'll be right back. They're finishing up right now, and then they're going to give her the gift card for the stuff she bought. Right back. Can we get the footage? Are you doing the footage?
Yeah, I'm down on that right now.
Perfect.
What all you need? We have
Just them entering and then concealing. Yeah, whatever you're doing. Yeah.
Under Florida Statute Section 812.015, retail theft includes, quote, transferring merchandise from one container to another with intent to deprive the merchant. However, Target's corporate policy requires suspects to bypass all points of sale before loss prevention will authorize police intervention. The officer refuses to stage a foot pursuit or hide patrol vehicles, correctly prioritizing public safety over procedural convenience. Two sisters are believed to be operating together, one in pink and one in yellow, coordinating a multi-participant retail theft. Believing she has not been identified, the suspect in yellow moves to self-checkout, paying for some items to manufacture a false appearance of legitimacy. When loss prevention asks if the storage bin is empty, she affirmatively lies, a critical evidentiary moment that converts forgetfulness into clear evidence of intent. Under Florida case law, including JSH versus State, concealment combined with affirmative misrepresentation is sufficient evidence of intent to deprive. Her admission, "Yeah, you got me," is admissible under Rhode Island versus Innis as a volunteered statement, not the product of custodial interrogation. Now we arrive at the most consequential number in this case, $750, Florida's felony theft threshold. Under Florida statute section 812.014, theft under this amount is a misdemeanor. At or above, it becomes grand theft of the third degree, a felony punishable by up to 5 years in state prison. The suspect's merchandise tallies to $788.43, crossing the felony threshold by approximately $38. Throughout the arrest, her repeated voluntary statements about rent and financial pressure effectively concede the intent element of the offense, building the prosecution's case with each sentence. Target issues both suspects a 1-year criminal trespass warning under Florida statute section 810.09, prohibiting return to any target location. The suspect in pink is charged with first-degree petit theft misdemeanor. The suspect in yellow is charged with grand theft of the third degree, a felony. This case offers several important lessons worth reflecting on. First, economic hardship is never a legal defense to theft. Rent pressure, childcare, or financial stress may be real, but they do not negate criminal intent under Florida law. Second, silence is a constitutional right for a reason. Every voluntary statement made during arrest becomes evidence, and Miranda warnings do not erase what was said before them. Third, the line between misdemeanor and felony can be just a few dollars. A $38 margin turned a jail and release case into a lifelong felony record. Fourth, concealment plus a lie equals intent. The moment the suspect claimed the bin was empty, any defense based on forgetfulness or mistake disappeared. Finally, good police work is quiet. The officers here refused unnecessary risks, deferred legal judgment to prosecutors, and protected even a suspect's legitimate property. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in a court of law. Let us know your thoughts in the comments.